Nothing there.
You're watching the weather
from New England to the Midwest and right down to Florida. You are suffering with the cold. Snow is really tapering off here as the coastal low has its precipitation shield around it. Then there's a break, and then we see the band of very heavy snows north of New Jersey and right around New York City into southwest Connecticut. So that's the way it looks with the latest radar. Let's show you what's happening here with our wintry travel today. Blizzard conditions, southern New England, southeast New York, northern New Jersey, northeast Pennsylvania, blowing snow right down through the Appalachians. Snow continues into tonight over the coast of New England, but it tapers off here from New York down to D.C. Another little system comes by with light snow Tuesday. Rain in the northwest continues. High winds in the northeast, winds gusting over 50 miles an hour. That will blow and drift the snow. Already reports of drifts of 1 to 2 feet over Martha's Vineyard.